Hey guys, what's up? It's Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my current hair care routine. You guys are going to find out my secret potions that I use to keep my hair looking fresh. Just kidding, there really is no secret at all. It's pretty basic, but some of you asked for it, so here it is. Before washing my hair, I like to brush out any knots that I have so that when I come out of the shower, it's much more easier for me to brush out my wet hair. And for those of you guys wondering, I don't wash my hair every single day. I usually just wash it every other day. Thought that I just mentioned that. After that, it's time to hit the shower. For shampoo, I'm currently using this Amino Mason Whipped Cream Shampoo by Cosmist. It's equipped with avocado and manuka honey and shareeanonuevo. This non-silicone shampoo foams up just like whipped cream and gently cleanses the scalp and hair with botanical amino acids. The amino acids are key components of the hair, which repairs the damage and balances moisture levels. After massaging the shampoo to my scalp and hair, I usually leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes. After rinsing it, I like to go in with the Amino Mason Milk Cream Treatment. This milk cream treatment heals and restores damaged hair by perms, bleaching, sun damage, etc. And it delivers plenty of hydration to each strand from root to tip. I have been loving this hair care duo. It completely changes the feel of my hair. My hair has never felt and been so soft. Once I am done in the shower, I like to apply my makeup on while my hair is in the towel. And once that is all done, I like to take the towel and just squeeze off any excess water that I may still have in my hair. Next, I usually use a comb to comb out my hair. And with that, I like to comb out the ends first, then work my way up. This just avoids any pulling and breaking of the hair. After my hair is combed out, I like to go in with this Fab Me product by Design Me. This spray is literally the mother of all hair treatments. It is basically a multi-benefit lotion. It protects your hair from color fade, smooths out split ends, and has a heat damage protection. It also reduces that darn hair static and adds hydration, strengthens the hair, enhances the volume, and makes it feel silky smooth. Next product I follow with is also from Design Me. This one is the Power Dry Me Spray. This spray decreases drying time by half the time. Without this, my hair will take forever to dry, and ever since using this product, it totally made my life easier. I am so forever grateful for this product. If any of you guys are interested in the products that I've talked about in this video, I will leave a link in my description box where you can purchase everything. Now that my hair is fully dried and I've changed out of my robe, you can see how nice and smooth my hair looks after using all those products. Now it's time for me to style my hair. I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair and clipping it up halfway. And then I'm going to go in with my hair straightener. The straightener that I'm using is a Matrix Sight straightener, and I purchased this one off of Amazon. Since my hair is already straight, I'm just going to use this tool to smooth out any flyaways that I have and flat out the ends. So basically, this is what my hair looks like if I wear it super straight. These products really do my hair justice. Just look how soft and silky it appears. For this part, I want to give my hair that blowout look without the blowout technique with the hair dryer. To do this look, I'm just going to section off my hair once again, and to style my hair, I'm going to be using this Hot Tools Professional 2-inch barrel curling iron that is from Amazon. To start this off, I'm going to use this barrel and flip the ends of my hair out. To do this, hold the barrel with the clip side facing down, and once it is clamped, pull it all the way to the end, and then you want to curl it upwards. And now it's going to give you that cute flip at the end. Now I'm just going to continue this on the bottom and next layer. As I reach the top layer of my hair, I'm going to do the flip curl differently. Starting at the back, I'm just going to pull my hair up at a 45-degree angle, holding up the barrel with the clip side up, clip my hair in between, pull it towards the end, and instead of flipping it upwards, I'm going to be flipping it downwards and curling it underneath. Hold it there for a few seconds and release. Alternating the flips will create a soft, bouncy hairstyle with lots of movement. Now for the front layers, I'm actually going to be flipping this one outwards and away from my face. I personally just like the look that way. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to continue that to the rest of my hair. Now I'm just going in with my Pantene hairspray. I'm just going to spray down any flyaways that I may have. And to add some extra shine to my hair, I'm going to spray a bit of this OGX Quenched Sea Mineral Moisture Shimmering Replenisher Spray. That is a mouthful. And that is basically it. This is how I am currently caring for my hair. It is very simple yet very effective. Again, if you like any of the products that I used, everything will be listed down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And also, if you can follow me on social media, I am on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and you can find me with my handle name, shareeanonuevo. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye!